Squishmallows.
Here is Deborah from the new McDonald's Squishmallows FIFA World Cup 26 collection. Let's start with a closer look at the World Cup 26 themed packaging before opening it up.
You can pick your favorite one, or you can just collect us all. Love, play, cuddle, squeeze. Hello, little Squishmallows.
Now it's time to unbox Deborah.
Join the squad, the snuggle is real. Every color of the rainbow, every shape and size. Come along for adventure, mystery, and surprise. Like hugging a cloud, softer than a pillow. Hello, little Squishmallows.
Let's check out the front, sides, back, and official tag for a complete look.
Really won't believe it. Stack 'em up, yeah, you know you wanna squeeze it. Hello, little Squishmallows. Squish it, squish it, squish it, squish it. Piper is a penguin and Fifi's a fox. Archie axolotl and Simon the sloth. Life is just a beach when you're Cameron the cat, and Neil has got a trunk full of healthy snacks. Love, play, cuddle, squeeze. Hello, little Squishmallows. Dinosaurs or dragons, what's your fantasy? There's a hamster named Humphrey on the silver screen. Francis fights fires, Henry singing a song. With a squad like this, you can't go wrong. At work, on the go.
Taking a closer look, Deborah features a unique FIFA World Cup 26 inspired design, along with official McDonald's and FIFA branding details.
Hello, little Squishmallows. Hello, little Squishmallows.
Let's see Deborah kick some balls.
Hello, little Squishmallows. Grab a friend, we're taking it easy. So soft,
Cuddle and squeeze.
you can kick it on the couch or toss them like a ball. You can pick your favorite one, or you can just collect us all. Love, play, cuddle, squeeze. Hello, little Squishmallows. We've all got a story that'll give you the feels. Join the squad, the snuggle is real. Every color of the rainbow, every shape and size. Come along for adventure, mystery, and surprise. Like hugging a cloud, softer than a pillow. Hello, little Squishmallows. Hello, little Squishmallows. So soft, yeah, you really won't believe it. Stack 'em up, yeah, you know you want